Looking to switch to a more sustainable and energy-efficient heating solution? In this video, we showcase the best solar heaters that harness the power of the sun to provide eco-friendly warmth for your home or pool. These top-rated models are designed for durability and optimal performance, helping you reduce energy bills while protecting the environment. Be sure to check the description box for easy links to each product, so you can make the best choice for your needs. GRECELL T300 Solar Generator. First on our list is the GRECELL T300 Solar Generator, offering a 288 watt-hours capacity with a 300 watt output and a 600 watt peak, perfect for camping, travel, and emergency power during blackouts. This lightweight power station supports up to 8 devices simultaneously, including laptops, phones, mini fridges, and CPAP devices under 330 watts. The USB-C PD 60 watts output ensures fast charging and upgraded battery management safeguards against overcharge and overheating. It can recharge via AC, solar, or car outlet, and a built-in MPPT controller optimizes solar charging. Included are AC and car chargers, making it a versatile choice for those needing dependable portable power on the go. ECOFLOW 220W Portable Solar Panel. The ECOFLOW 220 watts portable solar panel offers a high-efficiency power source with a bifacial design, reaching up to 25% conversion efficiency. N-type solar cells and an adjustable kickstand provide optimal sun exposure, boosting energy collection by up to 28%. Its lightweight and foldable design, IP68 waterproof rating, and durable ETFE coating make it resilient in harsh weather and versatile for outdoor activities. Compatible with ECOFLOW power stations, it delivers efficient, green charging on camping trips, road adventures, or for home backup. Includes an MC4 to XT60i cable and protective bag for convenience. Renogy Solar Panel Starter Kit. The Renogy Solar Panel Starter Kit includes 2 100-watt monocrystalline panels and a 30A PWM charge controller, delivering an efficient off-grid energy solution with a 1,000 watt-hour daily output. Designed for RVs, boats, and cabins, it features a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame for longevity and IP67 connectors for weather protection. The charge controller supports 4 battery types and provides 4-stage charging to optimize performance and safety. Easy to install. The kit includes Z-brackets, cables, and pre-drilled panel holes, allowing expansion up to 400 watts. This starter kit is perfect for beginners looking for reliable off-grid power. SunQuest Solar Swimming Pool Heaters. Last on our list is the SunQuest Solar Swimming Pool Heater, which harnesses solar energy to efficiently heat both above-ground and in-ground pools, providing an eco-friendly solution for comfortable swimming temperatures. The unique MaxFlow design uses 2-inch headers for better water circulation, heating the pool faster without stressing the pool pump. Constructed with premium materials, these flat panel heaters are maintenance-free and easy to install. Simply roll up the panels when not in use. With solar energy, it reduces energy costs and environmental impact, offering a sustainable way to extend the pool season while keeping operational expenses low, making it a smart investment for pool owners. We hope this video helps you find the perfect solar heater. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.